What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be doing a vegan what I eat in a day as a vegan couple. So right now I'm going to make us breakfast and start our day. So I've been making this really good cream cheese toast and I'm going to share the recipe with you. So first we use this whole grains health nut bread, and the vegan cream cheese that I found, which is amazing, is this Kite Hill one. It's plain almond milk cream cheese style spread and it's really good. It doesn't taste like Play-Doh because like some cream cheeses that I've tasted that are vegan taste like Play-Doh and it's just not good, but this one is the best one and it has the consistency of cream cheese. Then I like to top it off with sliced tomatoes, thinly sliced red onions, and some capers. This is what gives it that super fresh taste and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna be making this for breakfast for us. So this is what the cream cheese looks like. It looks like actual cream cheese. It tastes really good. So I highly recommend this brand if you guys want to try a dairy-free cream cheese. The only place that I can find this cream cheese is Whole Foods. So that's just a little tip for you in case you want to get this cream cheese. Then I like to put some salt and black pepper on my tomatoes. There you go. Thank you, baby. You're welcome. My favorite part is the capers. Hurley, are you ready for your breakfast? Hurley. Okay, so after we have breakfast, I get ready so we can go shoot. So I did my hair and makeup and picked out my outfits, but this is what I eat in a day, so we make sure to bring snacks because
I get hungry and then I get hangry.
Yes. So I gotta make sure to feed my photographer so that way, you know, we can work well together. Babe, do you want to show them what snacks you packed?
Sure. Got a couple of varieties of Cliff Bars here. And got these Nature Bakery fig bars. These are really good. Highly suggest these. Got some chips, all dressed. These are vegan. These are very, very addicting. You could eat a whole bag. Got some popcorn too. Very good, filling. And got to bring some water to wash all that down. Perfect, yes. So we are snack ready. Yeah, those are just snacks. Those aren't a meal.
Yeah. Since, you know, we had a good breakfast, we just have to work and make sure to feed ourselves, especially this guy.
Yep.
When we're shooting. All right, I think we're ready.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Well, someone's hungry and hangry right now, so good thing we got him covered. Maybe I'll eat the blueberry one. These are like Fig Newtons, but better than Fig Newtons. They come in a variety of different flavors. This one's the blueberry. Which one are you eating?
Raspberry.
And then they have a fig one. That one's pretty good too, but the blueberry is my favorite.
They also have a chocolate one.
Oh yeah. It's like a brownie fudge one. It's actually pretty good. It's not too sweet. So, I like that one. Okay, so we just came home from shooting because it started raining in Hollywood. So, we just decided to come home and eat, and we're eating some popcorn. This popcorn is so good. It's by Late July, and we get the kettle corn, and then they also have a sea salt one, but it's amazing. And it's vegan and gluten-free. Isn't this like the best kettle popcorn you've ever had?
Real good. It tastes like corn pops of cereal.
Yeah. And it's only 70 calories per cup. And it's organic. Okay, don't be eating it all.
So Sonia's busy in the other room making videos or something, so I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna make some little hummus taco things with stuff in it. Dicing up some red peppers. Can put some red onion in there. Got these little street tacos. So they're gonna be little mini ones. Some spinach, hummus, and cherry tomatoes. Nice quick little lunch. Set that up. Now let's deliver it to Sonya. Knock knock.
Yum! Thank you.
Here you go.
Veggie tacos.
Yep.
Should I do a taste test?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
I'm putting it.
Food, plants.
I like it. I'm good. Taco number 2. It's good. Filling. I don't feel bloated afterwards.
Fresh.
Go vegan.
We doing quinoa or quinoa?
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah. All right, so it's dinner time, and now we're gonna make some quinoa with some vegetables. Kind of do like a Buddha bowl, kind of.
Delicious.
But it's so good, so.
So good.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Where's the quinoa?
Rare.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So this is the quinoa that we use. You just have to rinse it, and then we put it in a rice cooker and just cook it in the rice cooker. But for extra flavor, I like to put this Better Than Bouillon no beef base. It's vegan, and it makes the quinoa taste really, really good. So it gives it a little flavor. That for the beans, and then this one for the mushrooms. And then we're gonna put the broccoli in the oven because Kennedy makes this like bomb broccoli.
Roasted broccoli.
Yeah, it's so good. Gotta be careful when the water's so hot.
Little bit of smoky steak seasoning. There's no steak in it. Some onion powder. Garlic powder. Coat everything evenly.
Make sure to soak in all that flavor.
Then you just dump it out onto some baking sheet paper. The mushrooms.
So good.
A little onion in here. A little garlic.
Gonna give this quinoa a little turn. You almost ready to put that teriyaki on?
Yep, and these mushrooms are about cooked down now. Onions in there, garlic. Time to add a little bit of this delicious teriyaki sauce.
Oh man, it smells so good. I'm so glad that you accidentally stumbled upon this recipe.
Accidentally, on purpose. Start with the quinoa.
Get them broccoli.
Broccoli. Delicious. Some green beans. Delicious.
Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Looks so good.
The teriyaki
The finale.
mushroom.
These are my favorite.
Just throw them all over everything. I'll eat them with everything. Yummy.
So ready to eat this. Yum. Okay, which plate do you want?
Oh no, this one's closer, so I'll take this one.
That's the one I wanted.
Spot on.
It's so good. Every time.
Very filling.
And there's so much flavor.
Mix everything together.
It's like one of my favorite meals. Thanks for making it.
You're welcome.
You're the best vegan chef ever.
Second best.
Who's the first?
You.
People are probably throwing up right now. Oh my god, I'm so full.
Yep, I'm pretty full too.
That was so good. Thank you for dinner, baby.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys made it this far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you try out any of these recipes that we shared with you today. If you guys want to see more videos from us, then definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post next. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Mr. Chicken.
Bye.
So I gotta make sure to feed my photographer so that way, you know, we can work well together. Well, someone's hungry and hangry right now, so